Thanks for staying with us. We are continuing to bring you the very latest on COVID-19 in Wisconsin. Right now, there are over 500 reported cases in the state, and that includes 5 deaths.
The illness is moving into the southwest part of the state as Grant County reported its first case. That person is in their 20s. The governor is also putting the safer at home order into effect starting tomorrow. And we have team coverage on the latest developments of COVID-19 across the state, including the latest numbers and what the safer at home order means for people all around the state. Let's start with Amanda Quintana, who is breaking down the latest numbers around Wisconsin. Amanda?
Yes, the number of positive cases is now at 514. The number of deaths remains at 5. That includes the first cases reported in Monroe, Iowa, and Grant counties. But doctors say it's important to remember this is just the number of people who had symptoms bad enough to get tested, and there could potentially be thousands of cases we are not counting. Andrea Palm with DHS says some are questioning Evers' order since there are only 500 cases and 5 deaths reported in a state as big as Wisconsin. Here's her response using data from Wuhan, China, and Italy.
And if we continue on our current path without implementing safer at home to flatten the curve, the models show us that we would likely have 22,000 Wisconsinites who are positive for COVID-19 by April 8th and an estimated 440 to 1,500 deaths.
In yesterday's press conference, doctors said about 10% of people who have tested positive for coronavirus in the state need hospitalization. Today, they say it's more like 20%. Also saying while it's taken about 6 days for the amount of positive cases to double in some other countries, in some states here in the U.S., it's only taken 2 or 3 days. That is why Evers' safer at home order is being put into place to slow the spread. Our Amy Reed